So I'm gonna start with the IKEA stuff. In Europe, in Europe, you say IKEA. It's IKEA, or here you say IKEA. It's cider, apple cider, sparkling apple cider. $1.99 each. We got 12 cans. Some biscuits with chocolate flavor. This one is with raspberry flavor. Each is $1.49. And then like a crane train set, $6.99. Just this part. Then because we have the whole train set, but he wanted this one as well. My son, sorry. Whole grain crisp rolls, $2.99, 200 grams. Got some Keks, cookies, biscuits, $2.49. It tastes like graham crackers. Chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate. Each is $1.29. I got 10 of each. Bed sheet set. 112. And that was $39.99. Got like navy blue. That was IKEA. Now we went to the German store and we got some whole smoked mackerel. That was $5.58. This one. And this is the whole smoked rainbow trout, $10.61. We got some frit. It's like this is an orange flavor. This is how do you call this? Gummy candy. This is good. We like it. My son likes it. Katjes. They make actually vegetarian, so they don't use animal gelatin. They use vegetarian gelatin. And this is like gummy as well. $2.99. We got caramels. It's a malt beverage. $7.99 for 6 bottles. This one not. We got some crunchy pickles. $4.99. They're actually really good. We tried them already. Noodles, $4.39. This is dried fish. Together it was $6.50. It's dry. Happy Hippo. Happy Hippos was $6.89. Last time my partner ate them, that was 18 years ago, and I ate them 13 years ago. So that's gonna be very delicious. We got some. What is that? It says here, wafer with hazelnut filling. So it was $3.99. And then we got some pickled mushrooms, $4.29 for this kind of style. Wine cap. And this is Namiko. And well, my partner already ate that, so it's good. He said he liked it. He likes stuff like that. And then we got some Bismarck herring, $4.99. That was for the German store. And now we went to the Russian store. We got some corn puffs. They're really good. $2.99. We got some Targin and Buratino. And here it says, it is carbonated non-alcoholic tarragon flavored drink. And this one is lemon flavored drink, it says. Lemon flavored drink. They taste really good. And it was $3.99 and it's 2 liters. This one is like croutons with bacon. $1.69. And this one is with salmon and cheese. $1.39. Got some biscuits. How do you call that? $2.99. And this one, it's like dry bread, but my son likes it and it's really good. Bubliki, $3.89. Was it $3.89? Yes. We got 5 kilograms of buckwheat. That was $21.50. And we got some baking soda, $2.80. Apparently this one is better. Oopsie. This one is better than the Almond Hammer one. I wanted to try that, if that's better for baking and cooking than the Almond Hammer one. And then we got fish. This one is smoked, $12.64. Delicious. And some ice cream, Plombier. It was $3.59, chocolate flavor, and it tastes like sweetened condensed milk ice cream. You can't buy that in stores, so Russian store it is. It was delicious. I believe that's for the Russian store. And I just got some swim shorts for my son. A set of 2 was $20 from H&M. And I also got 2 dresses for $20 each, but you don't want to see that. And I believe this is it.